Oh my god.
Oh, we ain't gonna.
But look at all that sauce down there too. Like, that is amazingly beautiful. Like, doesn't it hit? I haven't even got mine out, but.
Oh, like.
Look, I got a lot of seafood, guys. So, okay, by the way, I'm just gonna make a first statement. I'm getting my nails redone. Mine are missing, so don't mind that. But we definitely splurged. I got a pound of. Whew, oh, that was not tied. So, I mean, I was gonna get everything out and then show you guys, but it's pretty big. Like, it's pretty a lot.
I'm putting mine in the bowl.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So these, since these aren't for, I might not eat these. I don't know. I'm gonna keep these in the bag. This is a pound of clams. Once again, I got from Pure 88 because I'm in love with this seafood bag. It hits different. Yeah, I just got a hell of a lot of seafood. I mean, I don't know what else to say except for that, because I mean, this is like this is my last meal when I die. But yeah, so I'm just gonna like pour it out in the bag or in the bowl because, you know, all this looks so
take that corn.
good. Can you stop putting shit in the camera? So here's some crawfish. You want to put that somewhere in your bowl? This is the crawfish. There's the corn too. You got some clams as well. So I'm just gonna take the potato. My dog's just sitting there. I'm gonna take some crawfish. I got some napkins on the side just in case. Did you get something to drink? Show them what you're drinking. I'm drinking
I can't
some
show
Sprite.
them what I'm drinking.
You can. Just
No, I can't.
say I'm drinking beer.
Yeah, beer.
This is like, it's massive. It's overflowed, and I'll put somewhere in the screen how much everything was. But yeah. Okay, so I'm also going to be answering your guys' questions from my YouTube channel's Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Caitlin Mitchell here, and today, obviously, once again, I'm doing another seafood boil because I'm obsessed and I love. And today I got Xander with me, I guess because he's hungry too. I mean, I don't know. And yeah, we're gonna be answering people's questions, and we're just gonna get right into it because we're freaking hungry, and why not? Okay, you ready? Yeah, so we're gonna eat a little bit, and then we're gonna eat a little bit and then answer questions. Ooh, that's different with all the sauces. Like, that's like very garlicky.
The corn is like corn that I
don't know. I got the special 88. I didn't just get Cajun, so. Oh my god, we're back. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm back.
You got the scissors somewhere? Oh, okay. Scissors just in case.
So I don't know how to eat shellfish, so.
It's clams.
I know. Yeah. It's still a shellfish.
Yeah. You like them or no?
Oh no.
No?
No.
In there, don't not put it back in the bag. Put it right. I guess he doesn't like clams. That was your first time having them?
In the shell. Yeah. But they're not bad.
Hey, the bag. In your face.
It is in the bag. So.
What? These crawfish are actually pretty big for being crawfish. Do not put your elbows on the table. I thought you didn't like it.
It's just.
What?
It's not that I don't like it. It's just.
It don't really have a taste to it, does it?
Oh, no, yeah, hey, you want Daisy?
No. I like clams. I
That's why
just
I
don't.
was
I'm not
dying.
in the mood for it like right now.
I don't know what you're doing, but
I'm doing a crawfish.
that's what I'm about to do. But I don't want
Here, you
it.
can have this one,
No, I want some potato.
and I'm dipping it in this one.
Mm-hmm. I'm glad she can reach her sauce because I can't reach my sauce.
You have so much crap, and you also have sausages. Did you try that? Show them to the sausage. You have shrimp too.
Oh, yes.
It definitely like hits.
It does. It's like, I don't know.
I think I like their Cajun sauce better though. I will say that. I think I like how more hot it was, like more heat. Because
Yeah.
this is the special 88, which is all of them.
I like
so
the
I
one you
can
got
taste.
last time.
Yeah, that was Cajun, just straight Cajun.
Yes, sir.
So like, you can't really taste the heat, and this is medium too. So maybe
Maybe with some
Special-
slap your mama. That's some good seasoning
oh,
right there.
I forgot. I almost forgot about the questions.
Yeah, look. Well, I got a question for y'all. Favorite bottle of liquor? What's up?
Leave in
We
the
all
comments
enough.
below.
We old enough. What's up?
Not everybody.
Do say.
Okay. Did you try the crab yet? Oh, okay.
No.
Let me get to the question.
I gotta try my sauces.
This is like amazing.
No.
Like I'm just happy even looking in the camera and seeing it. Okay. So let's see. My first question. I'm not gonna give anybody shout outs, mind you, so obviously.
Oh, that's crazy.
First question was my favorite song. Honestly, my favorite song would have to be No Scrubs by TLC. I can forever listen to that no matter how old it is. You do not have to relax your arms. You have arm strength.
I got a
Okay?
bigger bowl.
What does that have to do with your arms? You were like invading my space by putting it like right here. What's your favorite song?
I don't know. There's a lot, to be honest, but I would say,
I really hope I get a nice, decent piece for you guys. Nope, it broke.
I would say Brian McKnight. Start back up one.
Who's that?
It's undeniable.
So that's your favorite song?
Yeah.
Okay.
Brian McKnight. You should know Brian McKnight.
I don't. Okay, moving on.
Adele. Not even hello.
A lot of people ask, like, when am I gonna see them?
Never.
Yeah, like, I doubt we'll meet
Yep.
in person unless you want to, like, collab. Other than that, that's, like, completely fine with me. Oh, what's my favorite position? You answer, I answer.
No, I'm good.
You have to. It's a Q&A.
Eating food. Favorite position of all time, eating food. Yeah.
My favorite position is doggy style. Not gonna lie. Favorite position. It's different for guys, I feel like, too. Oh, God, this is really hard. I've been at this one leg for, like, a hot minute. So sharp.
I'll say 69.
That's your favorite position?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And last, I don't know. I got a lot of positions.
Your favorite, top one you can do and never get tired of.
Oh yeah, that shit lays on my forearms. Anybody?
You don't want any gloves in there?
Nope.
Okay.
I want scissors.
Okay, moving on.
Yep. Can you pass me a scissors? Where are they? Scissors.
Why don't you stream anymore?
Never did. Well, I did, but it was music.
I do not stream anymore because as you get more followers, you just send like it just seems like to bring in all the haters, and it became too much drama. And I'm not about to fight with people over lying. Like, the fuck do I look like? I don't need to explain myself to anybody. So I had to take a break from that. So that's why I don't stream anymore. I did get promoted, but I wasn't consistent enough because even on my YouTube channel, I take breaks because like I have real life going on. I can't like videotape all the time. You know, shit happens and I gotta take care of that first. Because YouTube don't pay me. I mean, come on.
Got the crab.
That was a good piece. How'd you get that? Shit.
Oh, we ain't got no sauce. V-Lux.
You do. Here, you can. I told you you can dip it in here. See this? There's all kinds of sauce at the bottom and stuff. Yeah, Billy loves sauce. I was telling him about it. That's not the camera. The camera's right there.
Oh, there you go. Right there. Boom. Dribby.
But yeah, I was telling him about B-Love sauce and how everybody raves about it. Some people actually do not like it.
Some people.
But they're mostly white rednecks
It's not a sauce.
Who barely even eat seafood.
My favorite seasoning
Damn, this is
is
a
not
really
a sauce, but it's a seasoning. It's called
Do not.
two-step. It's called two-step. And it is a Cajun seasoning. And it might make you want to slap your mama. I'm trying to tell you. What are you eating?
That
So when he's
sauce in there is completely different. Here, put your bowl in the
my
camera.
bad. My bad.
Sorry, he's not used to filming.
Not while I'm eating. I like to eat, munch out, and pig out, and get fat.
Exactly. Why not do it on camera? That's my motto.
I'm not used to it. Plus, yeah.
There's also corn in here.
I know I got corn in here, and I'm trying to eat this knuckle real quick.
I thought you would like the clams. I'm surprised you don't.
Yeah, I do like them. Here's an empty one. I want this knuckle.
Oh my god.
Fucking my pinky's going in that bit.
We're struggling right now. We look like total amateurs.
But I'm telling you.
Oh, I'll show you
Look,
guys
digging
the
in the bowl
sauces.
and all of that. Look, why? Let me get your corn name.
No, I'm not eating this. I just want to show them the sausage. Here.
Yeah.
It looks good. How you like the sausage? What it
That's
taste
the
like?
first thing that I ate that I forgot to show y'all. That's my bad.
What,
But the sausage is.
Is it
slim.
smoky or does it taste like they
Nah, it
boiled
tastes
it?
like sausage.
Oh, okay.
It tastes like normal sausage. I don't give a fuck. But these clams, never been
Yeah, it's first time.
been a favorite guy to go to eating fish out of a shell, but this is my first time, man. Yeah, mussels. You can pay me $1 million to eat one. No, will not ever.
Okay, somebody said, when you coming back to West Virginia?
Never. She don't like it.
Not all parts are bad, but I don't think I'm gonna go there anytime soon. For a while. And then somebody asked how big are the titties. Big.
I ain't gonna lie. I'm getting full.
Already?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Well, you must have been going in then, because I'm a slow eater.
Oh, I done. How you do this? I'm an amateur.
Okay, I'll show you. Here, first eat this. It's just crawfish. It just was at the bottom of mine.
Oh my god, I like the sauce you got. Yeah, I want.
Okay, so basically you just rip it like a lobster.
Okay.
You can suck the head if you want. I do.
Right here?
Yeah.
Rib it?
Yeah. And then you just peel it.
And then this is.
Yeah, that's like the head. Don't chew it. Don't chew it. Yeah, you just suck it, like the juice out of it. Some people do actually eat the head, but I don't.
What's in the head?
And then you just.
Other than brains and.
Yeah, it's actually like just body fat and stuff.
Oh, what's up with it?
But look, yeah, actually I saw somebody like from the bayou in this video on YouTube, and he like lifted the head up. I don't know how he did it, but he lifted the head up and he ate the
This?
Yeah, he ate that out of it. I don't know if it's good, but that's how they do it in Louisiana in the bayou, and he's like the godfather of the bayou.
Are you talking about this
so look,
right here?
with the tail, you just unshell it like that, like open it wide. And then yeah, here.
I don't know what this is gonna taste like. Merry Christmas. Here we go. But that
You can eat
that
the claws too, but I
The
don't.
flavor in the head, no, not for me. Nope.
I like sucking the head. I don't eat it.
I just ate it, and
Yeah.
no.
What does it taste like?
Seafood. It tastes like the ocean. To be honest, no, not for me.
People are still giving me questions. Whew. I should have got Cajun, because now we know what the Special 88 tastes like though. Like it's more garlicky and buttery than everything. Yeah, like the Cajun was more spicy and stuff. It wasn't as like garlicky and buttery and stuff, but that's okay. That's okay, because it's still banging. I mean, like it's not like terrible. It's just, yeah, you would need to add like some hot sauce or something. Trying to figure out how to dunk this in the juice without making a complete mess.
Oh my god. I don't know. It's just something about this seasoning and corn.
But it's completely like different than like not a seafood boil, which is
It's so
usually in the
juicy.
bay. Yeah. And most of the time, people do dry rubs. They don't do wet rubs. Let me know if you need napkins.
What's your questions?
I know, I'm eating a
We're
little bit
munching
first.
now.
I mean, for the price, I think I got a decent amount.
For the taste. Yeah. I give it to
We
him.
were gonna do king crab because neither one of us has had it, but it was definitely so expensive, and I knew it was only gonna be like 2 legs, and it's not worth it unless like it's just me eating. Like if it's just me eating, then I would have been okay with that, but it's not. So. Ooh, excuse me. Someone asked me what's my favorite thing to do in bed. Eating seafood. I like eating seafood in bed. I don't know, it's not what you meant, but what's your favorite thing to do in bed?
Hulu.
Watch Hulu?
No. Cap. Yeah, it'd probably have to be play Call of Duty. Call of Duty or 2K. Favorite thing to do in bed.
Or whatever.
I don't know. I just want corn.
Really?
Yeah. Like the way they do their corn. If I don't die before I eat it, or. But yeah.
I would imagine the sausages taste pretty good though.
Clam. Clams. because it's getting kind of spicy.
After a while, it starts hitting you.
Lips are numb. I can't feel loud.
They don't taste like anything that.
I think this is the only shellfish that I can eat.
Clams are pretty normal. They don't really have a taste. They're just kind of there.
Like I said,
I thought
somebody
these
can
crabs
pull
would
up.
be bigger though. Can you please move your arm? I told you, at least out of the middle. Like, I don't even know. There's so much here. I don't even know what to start with. Ow! God, it got in my eye. Oh.
It's gonna burn for about the next 5 minutes.
Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh my god.
But yeah,
Yeah.
I think this is.
I like the Cajun sauce better. Like, not all of theirs mixed because, I mean, after a while, like, it builds up, but it doesn't taste like a boil with all of it in it.
What's in it? Scissors.
Napkin? Oh.
Thank you.
Okay, have you ever ate ass before? Nope. Nope.
Like groceries.
What? I've never eaten ass before, have you?
Yep.
I want these people knowing that we fuck.
They already know.
No, they
my
don't.
ex.
So, that doesn't mean we had sex.
What? What? Hold on. Whoa. Rewind.
Nobody got like that far to. It doesn't get any of this because this is gonna make her.
You
shit
probably
her brain.
just got a whole bunch of grab right now.
What are you doing?
Trying to get the claw that nobody likes to eat.
Actually, I love to eat those. I think they have the most meat in them.
There you got
You
the
have a bigger
hardest.
claw than I do, though.
I don't know. Sauce and Toss has me beat on looks from the outside looking in, but from the inside looking out, it had to be Pier 88.
They're more like a dry rub, and then they have sauce on the side that you can dip.
Pier 88? Sauce and Toss?
Because I looked at them. But yeah, they just have things on the side that you can that you can dip, and they use theirs. They do a dry rub. I'm just saying.
Nah.
I prefer wet sauce to dry rub because that just like when you're getting crabs sometimes like, and I did want to get like blue crabs, but they're not in season, so I couldn't get that. I did, like I said, I don't know if I said this in the beginning of the video, but I did order extra potatoes just for me.
Yeah.
And your sauce, your seasoning is the exact same as mine. I don't know why you said you like mine better. Xander!
I want to see you eat something other than crab.
Since when did you become a mukbanger? Oh shit.
Since
You always see me watch them?
day one. Yeah.
Whatever. You never even knew what it was.
I really
until you
honestly
saw me
didn't.
watch them.
Yeah. And then I would ask questions. Oh, who is this? Why are you watching this? What is it?
Yeah.
You ever seen a 15-pound crab? No. Well, lobster.
That's the thing, and also like
No.
you also see food from like around the world. not just like American food, but like how their boils in Canada are completely different than how they are now. It's just like completely different, you know, everywhere around the world. What?
I found my egg. Happy feet.
No, it also came with one egg.
The sauce.
How's-
Automatic.
How's it taste so far, though? Wait, it's good?
Amazing. Amazing.
And mind you guys, like, I have not been to sleep at all. I was just staying up waiting for this. Specifically because that's how much I'm obsessed. And then I'm about to have this again less than a month because my birthday's coming up, which I don't know if I'm going to do a video. Probably a vlog, probably of my birthday day, but I don't know.
She'll probably have a bird.
What?
Bird?
He always gets on me. I got so much hate on my bird's cage. On my YouTube channel. Like, literally. Oh, you're not using the right this. Guys.
And you can see it too.
Like, I researched the fuck out of any animal before I get it. So that I can give it the best quality of life. Everything. Like, the bird was barely in the cage most of the time anyway. Only time it wasn't was going to bed or when I went out.
Alright, so how you do this?
I don't know, sometimes like
Excuse me.
it'd be hard to get these suckers open. I got on my face. My face looks so like greasy because of this sauce.
It's all good. It's only sauce. There's nothing wrong with it.
I use my teeth for everything.
Yeah. If I can get something open. Crack it.
Oh, for sure.
But yeah, so y'all want to know a crazy story? Prince is my dad.
You wish.
Purple Rain. She munching out. That's the only rain she thinking about.
I've also seen people try. There's this one mukbanger who she literally eats just about everything. Like, she's ate a whole, like, a cat before.
Oh no, me not going.
She's ate. I can understand maybe like a rabbit. What was it? Something else weird. Like these little kind of maggot looking things. And they were alive. They were like
You're
were
talking
like
about
moving.
grubs. They're like this fat and white. Yep.
And
Grubs.
there's like little skinny like parasite looking things too.
Fuck. Termites.
Termites have wings. They're not parasites. You know what parasites look like?
Yeah.
You ever see the show like Monster Inside Me?
Yep.
That show used to
That's
scare.
what I got inside
used
my.
to scare me and give
I
me
got a
nightmares.
tapeworm inside my tummy because no matter what I eat,
Whatever.
I'm fat. She'll tell you I'm fat.
Fun fact: she's a hypochondriac.
I'm fat.
I think there's something wrong with me every other day.
Yeah. But does it concern you how hungry I get every 5 minutes?
No.
I'm fat.
That's how my brother is. He can eat and never gain weight. It's called metabolism, which
Which
boys
is Russian.
naturally.
It's Russian. My metabolism is high as the all get out, bro. I'm a fat boy on the inside. I like my cake and ice cream.
I'm like that too. Like, I'll eat and then I'll get hungry again.
Yeah, coach put me in the game. I'll finish him. Yeah.
Could you ever do like a
What?
eating contest?
Yeah.
I don't think I could.
I think I
Like
could.
the amount of skill, not skill, but pretty skill, because you have to like swallow big chunks of food, like be able to swallow it quickly without choking.
The world's hottest pepper.
Oh yeah, I think I would do some challenge like that. Like
coming out. The world's hottest pepper.
I would like to try the fire noodles that people be doing all the time and shit. Whoop! I think I might get an actual chunk for you guys. Hopefully, if it comes out right, doubt it because it's me. Let's see if it does and cooperates. Whoop.
Uh-oh. They watched me struggle on camera.
Ooh,
with peeling.
I did.
Oh, she got a good piece. Ooh.
I know.
Damn.
I finally got one, not like broken into fucking 10 million pieces.
Big facts. I'm not gonna lie. The shrimp is kind of OD a little bit.
What do you mean?
Jumbo. Like real jumbo.
Is that good?
Like not compared to Food Lion jumbo. You know what I mean? Like
The bigger the better.
Yeah. Like theirs is more of weight compared to consistency.
Well, you are comparing it from.
Oh my god.
Got it in your eye?
Yeah. How'd you know?
Guys, that's exactly my reaction.
Oh my god.
It only burns for a little bit.
Right, that motherfucker fucking burns.
You gotta keep blinking to get air through.
I can't. It burns to blink.
I never said it didn't
Like
hurt.
you know.
No, I never said it didn't hurt. I'm just saying you gotta get air through it.
Oh my god. Sorry. I'm crying like a little bitch. She was like that.
I think I got more questions out of. I'm into this, man. Do you need a napkin?
Nope. Maybe. I don't know. Some more corn.
There's a coin on the cob in there.
Yeah, that's for him.
No, it's not. You put his in the fucking.
Oh.
This is the crawfish. It's been a while since you had corn, hasn't it?
Yeah.
I figured that because you're out of the camera. Make it cut off a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh my god, my nail came through the fucking glove.
Yeah.
What's the point of having a glove? It's still gonna get dirty.
Take it off.
Yeah, that's what you get for talking shit.
Ooh. Right. I hope you do the same thing.
Yeah, I'm putting this in recipes.
What the fuck was that?
Skin from a potato.
Why didn't you just say, yeah, you can have this instead of giving me your
You don't even
spit
eat
out?
the skin.
Yeah, huh? I just
Let
had
me
one
watch
with
you eat
the...
a sausage. Because I can't eat sausage, so.
Yeah, you can.
Shut up. What the hell is this? Oh.
Put down.
Fuck you.
I don't know, but the sausage, you set me up.
Why?
I need to rip down. You set me up with the sausage. Here, try this. Hold up.
At least I have a better presentation for you guys. And actually took first shots of it than the last time because I was just like unprepared and I was just excited to eat. I'm sorry.
I can vouch for that.
Next video isn't gonna be seafood. It's probably gonna be something else, but
Taco Bell.
I'm craving that. I haven't had that in like months.
But this corn is like,
I mean,
everybody that's used to having corn, this corn right
Honestly,
here.
I think my next video is gonna be
I'm
a
trying
vlog.
to tell you, it's different.
It's gonna be a vlog probably.
My
Girl,
next one is
I do
gonna
it
be
all.
a mukbang.
You don't even have a channel.
Yeah, I do.
Where?
YouTube.
It doesn't even make any sense. Like it's just like
I'm
the
probably gonna save the rest of this for tomorrow because my lips are on fire. My lips are burning.
I don't even know. You get through all this. Like you're like less than you're like 1/3 done already anyway.
Yeah, I know, but my lips
But we
are on
did-
fire.
I got a lot of seafood, like because
Well, clams are the best for me. The best thing out of this whole meal right now.
I thought you like shrimp.
No, clams. My mouth is burning. I can't feel nothing. I'm about to tap out. I'm about to leave y'all. And just leave my bowl here
Get
so
a sip
y'all.
get a drink. That helps
It's
too.
not gonna work. I promise.
Like you're able to. It's not like this is a challenge.
Uh-huh.
I just can't believe my nail pierced through my glove.
It's okay.
This is a nice good bite.
Excuse me. Sorry. Whoa.
A little better.
Yeah. Just a little bit. My mouth and my lips are still numb. Nothing should be this hot.
It's not even hot.
Yeah, my lips are numb. It's hot.
More spicier. Like this is not even anything. I taste more garlic and like butter than anything.
My lips are numb as hell. I'm gonna keep going.
I like nose running and everything like hot, but this isn't. I should have got just Cajun with. Actually, I should have got Cajun or no, the special
You
88
shoulda
with
got-
hot.
Yeah. It's what I was hoping you were gonna get.
I was scared it was gonna be too hot and then I wouldn't want to eat it.
It might have your it might have your butthole burning for a little bit.
Tell them a little bit about yourself.
I'm 27. I'm single. I'm from Harrisonburg, Virginia. This is, can't say too much, but yeah.
No, about yourself. What do I have to do about yourself?
You are part of myself. You're the best friend.
We live together.
Yeah, best friend. And let's see a little
What's
bit
one of your
about
hobbies?
myself. I like to hunt. I like to fish. I like to eat meat. No homo. I like to expand the horizons. I like to go kart. I like to fix up things. Don't even give me that
I've never
face.
seen him fix anything up.
Oh, what are you doing? Why are you messing with that? My knife still has that. What's the name on it? I don't even know where my knife was at. And I got
You
the
left it
back sitting
outside
right
one night and it's gone.
there. Oh well. That's cool. Somebody needed it more than I did. That's fine.
Isn't that how you got the knife anyway? You found it?
Yeah. Yep, on my way home.
That's funny. Circle of life, I guess.
Yeah.
You want a
back.
potato?
Mm-hmm.
You can have the tiny one.
I'm like really down in my salt. And you come to my bowl for sauce.
I want to see if yours tastes different.
What it feels like? The same thing.
I think I taste the sausage, to be honest. I think your sausage, that's why you were saying mine's different, because it didn't have the sausage, after the sausage soak up all the flavor. I taste your sausage. You're about to put that in my bowl. You tore that shit up.
I'm trying to tell you. She still got a whole bowl.
I barely even got into my crabs, like. But these ones are tough to like. I still got like 3 potatoes left, a whole bunch of legs everywhere.
That's good. Spread up
Crawfish.
your horizons. By me?
And look at these shrimp guys.
No. Oh, I thought you were about to bite it. Look, you gotta, man, put it with the sauce dripping.
Woo. Okay. Your sauce is hot.
I tried to tell you.
I think the sausage made it like that. Because I taste the sausage. Like, no, taste my sauce. Like, it's not like that. Here, taste this. Take a bite of it.
What is this?
It's a potato.
It's a potato. Ah, potato.
Don't eat it
Mr.
all.
Potato
Take a
Head.
bite. Fucking shit. See, it doesn't taste like that. Yours tastes completely different because it's the sausages.
Yeah.
Fuck you too. I like mine. But
No, she
I
doesn't.
do like a little bit of your spice though, so I'm gonna get a little bit of that.
I knew it. I knew it. I knew it.
Okay, so yeah, you did get like a little bit.
Stop it. You don't like sausage. Stop. Oh my God.
Why?
I'm going to bed. I gotta work in the morning. Yeah, Oh wow.
I'm gonna end the video here because I'm pretty much done for now. My lips are pretty fucking numb. And don't forget to like this video and comment down below about what other content you guys want to see. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn the post notifications on so you know when I post. And yeah, guys, bye.